Namaste. In the previous episode, we covered 20 shlokas. Let us proceed to 21 to 30 shlokas in this episode. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Arihi Om Sarva Runa Navadhyangi Sarva Bharana Bhushit Shivakameshwarankastha Shiva Swadina Vallabha Sumerumadhya Shringhastha Shriman Nagaranayika Chintamani Gruhantastha Panchabrahmasanasthita Mahapadmatavi Samstha Kadam Bhavanavasini Sudha Sagara Madhyastha Kamakshi Kamadayini Devarshigana Sanghata Stuyamanatma Vaibhava Bhandasuravadodhyukta Shakti Sena Samanvita Sampatkari Samaruda Sindhuravrajasevita Ashvaruda Dishtitashva Koti Koti Bhirabhruta Chakraraja Ratharuda Sarvayuda Parishkruta Geya Chakra Ratharuda Mantrini Parisevita Kiri Chakra Ratharuda Dandanata Puraskruta Jwala Malinika Kshipta Vanhi Prakara Madhyaga Bhanda Sainya Vadodyukta Shakti Vikrama Harshita Nitya Parakramatop Nirikshana Samusuka Bhandaputra Vadodyukta Bhala Vikramanandhita Mantrinyambha Virachita Vishangavadatoshita Vishukra Pranaharana Varahi Viryanandhita Kameshwara Mukhaloka Kalpita Shri Ganeshwara Harihi Om